If you want to make your PowerPoint presentation look more professional and easier to understand, adding a chart is one of the best things you can do. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert charts in PowerPoint 2013 step by step, so you can turn simple data into a clear visual in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint 2013 presentation and go to the slide where you want to place your chart. You can use a blank slide or a slide that already has some content on it. Once you're on the correct slide, look at the ribbon at the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab. This is where PowerPoint keeps all the tools for adding extra elements like pictures, tables, shapes, and charts. After clicking Insert, find the Charts button and click it. When you do that, PowerPoint will open a window with different chart types to choose from. You'll see options like column, line, pie, bar, and more. Each chart type works best for different kinds of data, so choose the one that matches the message you want to show. For example, column charts are great for comparing values, line charts are useful for showing trends over time, pie charts work well for percentages, and bar charts are helpful when you want to compare categories clearly. Once you've selected the chart type you want, click OK. PowerPoint will then insert the chart onto your slide and automatically open a small Excel sheet where you can enter your data. This part is very important because the numbers you type here will control what the chart displays. Replace the sample data with your own values and make sure your labels and numbers are entered correctly. As you edit the Excel sheet, you'll notice the chart in PowerPoint updates automatically. That means you can immediately see how your data looks visually and adjust it if needed. Take a moment to review your data carefully so the chart is accurate and easy to read. When you're finished entering your information, close the Excel sheet. You do not need to save it separately because PowerPoint stores the chart data inside the presentation. Now go back to your slide and you'll see that your chart is ready to use. From here, you can resize it, move it around, or format it to match the rest of your presentation design. And that's it. You've just inserted a chart in PowerPoint 2013. It's a simple process, but it can make a huge difference in how your audience understands your data. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more PowerPoint tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.